then cycle now. Careful in front, they load up, engage, hold, careful in front, they look, careful, they look, detox, careful, hold it, they look now, def now, tell me if up, hold, hold it for now, careful, that's nothing, careful, hold it, yo, fake now on the gate now, blue lit again in 3, 2, 1, fake now again, fake now, careful, hold it, we're going to do headbutt, wait, careful, they're doing a dev now, they're engaging east side of the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side of the gate now, ang tagal ng life curse, life curse, pakibilis ng life curse ha, careful now, they're looking again, careful, bomb, cycle now, tell me if up, hold, careful, wait, let me know, hold, they're looking now, careful, detox in front, wait, that's a fake, wait, hold it, get ready to headbutt tayo, wait, hold it, on the gate now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate now, one tap the fucking collar, one tap, then cycle now, def shallow, nice def, tell me if up, hold, cycle agad, pagka-engage, hold, salita, hold, wait, hold it, okay, hold it. Engaging east side of the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. Careful now. They look now. Left front. Then cycle. We're good. Cycle now. Hold it. Okay, hold it. Okay, hold it.
Ready now.
Hold. Engaging west side of the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side of the gate now. Careful, they look now, ha? They look now. Nice bop. Cycle now. Def in front. Tell me if up. Hold.
Ready now.
Hold it for now. Okay, hold it. Engaging east side of the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. Then come back. Wait. Umabasag na back. Careful yeah. Get ready yo. Get ready to click north wait. Hold it. Yeah. Hold. No need to panic. They'll come east tower now. DPS come east tower. DPS come east tower. Then hold there. Hold it by the stairs. Okay, hold it for now. Get ready to headbutt, boys. Okay, sige lang. Hold it. Kita kayo dyan, ha? And then, hindi pa kita. Hold it. Just hold it for now. Wait. Hold it for now. Dead. Engaging straight out of you guys now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight out of you guys. Straight out of you. Potok. Oh. Cycle now. Then come to me, DPS. Come to me.
Cycling.
Alright, hold. Red jacket now. Sa 6. Hold. Engaging east side of the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. Almost. Then come back. Careful, ditang sa in front. Careful, they look. Cycle now. Come east now. They're walking out. Come east now. Walk on them. Walk careful they about to hit, mate. Careful oh, tell me Fab, salita.
Ready.
Engaging southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt now. Then cycle agad. Cycle, walk. Careful ah. Yeah. Hold it. Come east now. Walk is. Tell me Fab, salita.
Ready now.
Hold, keep points out. Engaging shallow south now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south. Then come back, Mark. Careful, ditang sa in front, yung come back as well. Ditang come back as well. Nag-engage sila, come south now. Hilberyo. Come south now. Walk. Tell me Fab. Engaging east side now, kita nyo east side by the river now in 3, 2, 1. By the river now. Kill. Then come back. Hold the choke, guys. Hold the choke. Okay, hold the choke now. Careful in front. They looking now. Def now. Then walk on them.
Ready now.
Walk. Walk for now, walk for now, walk for now. D-tanks stop them. Yo, give me a J shallow on this D-tanks. Give me a J shallow on this D-tanks. Give me shallow, give me J, give me J, give me J. Yo, engaging west side of me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Drop. It's going to die. Nice kill. Nice kill. Then wait, hold. Careful. They're looking now. Careful. With the choke now. They don't even know. Ready defensive now. Wait, guardians on the choke. They're looking now. Wait. They're looking now. Careful, ah. Hold on. Tell me
8
5.
seconds.
Okay, hold it.
seconds.
Mana, please.
Hold it. Yo, wait. Wait, kami sa walk on them. Walk now. Do not stop walking. Walk lang muna. Walk for now. Nag-beamos na sila. Ang aga ng beamos sila. Walk. Yo, catch them dito. GA something. Catch them. Walk for now. Keep walking. Engaging west side of it now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side of it now. Okay, then hold it. Careful, D-tanks in front. Careful, they look now. So, second now. Def now. Then walk west. Walk west. Walk on them, boys. Walk on them. After the demon armor, southwest of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest of me now. On the ground. Drop on the ground. Colliers about to die. Kill him. Then walk west. Yeah. Kill them. Nice kill. Then walk west. Keep going west. Keep going west. They're about to hit. Careful.
Ready now.
Yeah. Careful. Wait. Hold it. Keep walking for now. Walk for now. Just walk for now. In front. Bam. Okay. After the Jano west side of Pinoy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is everyone. This is fucking everyone. Kill. Then walk west. Keep going west. In front. Keep going west. Show them dogs. Come west. Keep going west. Yeah, catch everything. Keep going west. Paano mga bobo to, pre? Keep going west. Catch. Dito. Catch west. Occult now. Give me an occult now. West. Southwest now. Dali. Catch. J something. Yo, engaging now on this Dunsong now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this Dunsong now. Okay, come back. Mount up. Oh my God. Ginagawa nila.
Good shit.
May ping pa.
Good shit, boys. Go to the ping, boys. Go to the ping. GG's. Nice fight.
May one shot sa may south side natin.
Yo, careful sa outside. One shot, ah. Yo, watch it. Careful. Catch the ping.
Papuntang northeast. Spirit.
Yeah, live ping. Just keep live ping. Good job, boys, on not dying.
Ay,
Good job.
nag-northwest na siya, northwest.
Ano? Nakabot na ba?
Nakamount. Kakasya pa ba to?
Yeah, okay. Leave him for now. If you can catch, just go to the castle for now.
Kausapin ko na lang.
Okay, good job, boys. That's 2-0 for today.
Ang lalim niya na doon, ni Latina. Kaya siya namatay.
Yeah nga eh.
May namatay ba?
Yun nga.
May namatay pala?
Oo.
Ayun.
Si Latina.
Tinry ko yung
Mali kayo.
Latina.
Masyado akong malalim.
Yeah, it's okay.
Natulogin ako sa bomb.
Di mo na na-realize na ang layo ng Zerg mo, sir. So, ganun talaga.
Hindi, wala naman silang bomb squad eh. Engage nila yun.
Fake lang yan.
Meron.
Real engage nila yun, pre. Real engage
Ano ba sila,
nila.
White Club?
Kasabay.
Wala silang bomb
Oo,
squad.
kahit sila.
Ayun yung flash nila.
Kahit pala.
Click chest.
Hindi ko ma-check.
Kailangan pa ba i-click to?
Yo, everyone click the chest.
150.
Especially if you die. If you die during the fight.
Akala ko naman malakas. Sabi 7-2. Sana hindi na ako nag-uso.
Eksakto, bubukas na.
Yo, officers only will loot the chest, okay? Only if they don't have enough space, that's when the time you members will be allowed to open the chest, okay? Okay. Maganda na naman ang battle birds ng IE. Yeah, of course. Yo, if you have loots and verge na right now, get it. Get it, guys. Get it. Get all the loots you got. We're about to go home in 1 minute. Guys, see what happened, guys, if you just trust me to walk on them, guys. As long as they don't have engage, guys. And they don't have
Nakukuha
bombs.
sa my
They
bird.
couldn't kill you.
Sino
Ah?
may loot sa bird?